Good morning. So it's now the next day, Monday the 17th of July, and me and Mia are on our way to Flamingo. Wait, why are you not? What's it not focusing? And we're on our way to Flamingo Crossing Village. So I didn't end the vlog last night. We literally got back from Happily Ever After, and it was like 11 o'clock. We didn't make it in time for the pool, so we just had showers and went to bed. And then we've checked out. It's currently 8:07, and then my check-in time is 9:10. What's yours? 8:30. So we're going to drop the bags at West, head over to East for actual check-in, and then we'll be moving in, which is just crazy. We can see the entrance. I thought you knew someone in that car there. Just like but we can see the thing. You can't see it, but the walkway's there, and Target's all the way over here. That means we're nearly here, but it's like 2 minutes away from the Walt Disney World sign. But we're on the other one, so Flamingo Crossings. This is our home. I've watched this on so many videos. Walgreens. Pile GF, Target. This is our local. This is our local Starbucks. No, this is not real life. Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, babes. We live here. Look, I can see the pool. I've waited so long to see this in my life. That's East. We're here. Oh, I thought we were closer to Target. We are. We're just turning around and going that way. This is crazy. Flamingo Crossings. Whoop, whoop. Welcome to Flamingo Crossing Village. Look how nice it is. That's my building there. The red ones, I think. I don't know. Red and yellow, I think, is Iago. Oh wait, maybe not. I don't actually know. I'm just. We're here. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the colours I'm in. A month. Crazy, innit? So we're here at Flamingo Crossings East. We can't check in yet because it's too early, but it's just mad everywhere. The pools. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm very glad we're in West. So we've just checked in, so I'm just sorting my landlord out. I am in Iago, if I can open this up. It's quite stress-free, wasn't it, really? Like, I feel like we've been stressed all day about this. Oh, look at it. Ah, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it on the little thing. This is actually so exciting. It's just empty at the moment. Did you put it through that bit? Yeah. Onboarding was at 9:20. Oh my god.
Ladies, how's it going?
Oh hi! I was like, who is this stranger?
Iago?
Yes!
Where are you then? Where are you on the map?
38.
We're 37, so we're building next door.
Ah, that's so exciting!
Yeah.
So without giving my exact location away, I'm in Flamingo Crossings West, which I'm so happy about. That's what I wanted. And I-38 is my building number. So I'm in Iago, building 38, and I'm right in the middle, so I'm buzzing with that. And I've got a mail room in my building as well, which is so good. But yeah, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for Mia to get back. She was late for her onboarding, where you have to like for international program students. So she's going to do that, and then we're going to get the bus back over to West and check in and meet our roommates, which I'm nervous about. So wish me luck. I made it! I can't believe I'm here. This is absolutely crazy. I'm sweaty mess. Look at my hair. Disgusting. I look disgusting. I know I do. But this is the room before I've touched it. So you've got the bed, the things, the desk, window, and then the mirror's big. Basically, I'm in a 4-2 in Iago. I'm building 38. And I walked in and I have a dog. So one of my flatmates has a ESA dog, emotional support animal. And so I live in with a dog, which I'm so happy about because I miss my dog already. And then everyone seems nice, but I've not really had a chance to properly speak to anyone yet because I've literally just moved in and I'm like, oh, so much to do. So I'm just whispering because I don't want it to sound like I'm talking about anyone. But yeah, I think it's some getting used to, but yeah, looking forward to it. And then me and the group are gonna head over to Target. So it's midday now, so we got here about what time was it, like 8:30, so we've not done too badly really. Onboarding's done, everything's done that I had to do for today. So now the evening is free, we're gonna go to the pool later and go to Target and do the big shop. So I'm trying to settle myself into it, but yeah, it's so exciting. And yeah, I'll bring you along for whatever we do today. So I'm watching Glee. Wow, I decorate my room. Well, I'm unpacking first of all. I've just thrown everything out basically and started getting stuff together, like techie stuff. I'm gonna start putting stuff in the drawers, and then anything that needs hanging up I'm gonna leave out and just see where we end up. But it looks an absolute tip right now. But I've just been speaking to my new roommates, which is really, really exciting. Target.
Yeah, it's busy over here.
This is the current situation. Look at everyone's things. Are you rating everyone's trolleys out of 10?
Over time.
But you've actually been my voice of reason, to be fair.
She's winning so far.
Oh, command strips.
I'll be honest, Becca, you're in last place.
Have they? Okay.
What's that?
Look at all the coffee stuff. I've seen this on TikTok so many times that this is so exciting. Creamer! They've got bloody creamer. Stop it. This is my favourite thing in the world. I'll get that once I'm paid, but that is so good. I've never seen so many crisps in all my entire life. It's just everywhere. I don't... Oh, I will be more adventurous later on, but I feel like I just need to get basics for mac and cheese. Have one of them. Only $3.99 for that. That can go in the microwave. And then what else have they got? Oh my god, so much. Wraps are a good shout, but I don't really know what to put on them. I know. This is what I'm currently working with. I have no idea how on earth I'm gonna get this all back on the bus. It was like $200 and something, so oopsies. So we've decided to get an Uber. It's only 3 minutes away. We just finished Target. We've been in there for, how long have we been in there for? A long time, but like, look how much stuff there is. And the bus isn't for another 40 minutes anyway, so Uber's it is, because that's the queue for the bus.
So I got it.